Welcome! Today we're diving into LinkedIn to explore how to access your messaging page on the PC with the latest updates. LinkedIn has made a few tweaks, so let's walk through the process together to ensure you don't miss a message. First, head over to linkedin.com. Once the page is fully loaded, direct your attention to the top menu. You'll spot several icons there, each leading to different sections of your LinkedIn account. Look for the messaging icon. It's designed to resemble a speech bubble or an envelope, and it's your gateway to all your LinkedIn conversations. Click on it. Upon clicking the messaging icon, you will be taken directly to your LinkedIn messaging page. Here, you'll find all your conversations neatly organized. Take a moment to browse the page. Notice how the layout allows you to quickly scan through your contacts and recent messages. You might see conversation windows popping up at the bottom right of the screen too. These windows provide a fast way to chat with your connections, making your conversations more accessible. If a window's header is black, it means the conversation is active, or you've just opened it. If the header is white, it indicates the conversation is inactive, or you've clicked elsewhere on the page. In this messaging section, written, read, and replied messages sync automatically. Also, remember that on the desktop version, you can only share pre-recorded video messages as files. Now that you know how to access your messages, take some time to explore other features. You can send text messages, voice messages, and even video messages to your connections. To send voice messages manually, you'll need to download the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Tap the messaging icon in the top right corner to start a new conversation. Next, choose the first-degree connection you want to send a message to. Tap the voice message icon to start recording, and hold down the microphone button while you speak, and that's all there is to it. Accessing your LinkedIn messaging page on a PC is straightforward once you know where to look. Keep your app and website updated to have the latest bug fixes and improvements. By following these simple steps, you can stay connected with your professional network, respond to opportunities, and keep the conversations flowing. Happy networking!